In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance the functionality and appearance of your website, adding buttons can be a great way to encourage user interaction. Whether you want visitors to navigate to another page, download a file, or take any other action, buttons are essential. So, let's dive right into this step-by-step guide. First things first, you need to open the Elementor editor. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can select any page or post that you'd like to edit. Simply click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor interface, where you can visually build your page. Once you've got Elementor open, your next move is to introduce a button onto your page. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel that displays all the Elementor widgets. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type in Button. You'll notice a button widget appearing as one of the options. Simply drag this button widget onto any section or column where you want the button to appear on your page. Now that you've placed the button on your page, it's time to customize it to your liking under the Content tab. Here, you can change the text label of the button. For instance, you might want it to say "Click here" or anything else relevant to your content. Next, you'll need to assign a link, which could be a URL or an anchor link that directs users to another part of your page or website. Don't forget to choose the alignment that works best for your design, whether left, center, or right. With the basics in place, let's move on to styling the button under the Style tab. This is where you can make the button truly stand out. You have the option to change its text color and background color, ensuring it matches the overall theme of your site. You can also customize the border and add hover effects, so the button changes appearance when someone points at it. Additionally, you can adjust the padding and font size to make the button look just right, and even tweak the border radius if you want rounded corners. Finally, if you're interested in advanced settings, head over to the Advanced tab. Here, you can add margins to create space around your button, implement animations for dynamic visual effects, and even insert custom CSS for unique styling. Although this last option is available only in the Pro version of Elementor. Once you're satisfied with every detail, don't forget the final step. Click Update to save all the changes you've made to your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a button in Elementor, enhancing your site's design and functionality.